Lover with you, love with you. Feels so true, feels so new. Love with you.
Ito na kami mga kachupapi. Medyo mainit na. Hindi na tayo ng tubig. Nandito na tayo sa Botanical Garden Conservatory.
Okay. Let's get ready to go.
Yay! Yan siya mga kachupapi.
Bring your drink.
Yeah, just water.
Okay.
And then this one.
Yeah, you can bring that too. Betty, if I should leave the bird.
Yes, ang ganda. Dito na kami mga kachupapi. Oh, ang ganda. I like the purple one. Oh, ganda niya oh, kachupapi. Para siyang dinikit lang.
Time of the year too. Where it's just mostly done, raining, everything is growing.
Ha! Ang ganda talaga, parang gusto kong kunin iuwi sa bahay, no? Look at that. Swimming pool. Oh, how are we gonna go down? Ang ganda naman dito. Look.
Is that the entrance over there? No, that's not. You see people coming over there. There's a small park for the dog play.
Ganda.
Okay, let's try to get down.
Ang ganda talaga pag gaganto yung ano mo. Ganyan yung magiging backyard mo pagka ganyan yung tree na nasa gilid ng bahay mo. Diba? Kaya gusto ko bumili ng ganyan. Dito ka rin makakakuha ng ideal na flowers kung anong gusto mong ilagay. Ito I want to buy this one. Put it on our backyard or front yard. Yeah, I'm gonna buy some soil.
Some soil, maybe some flowers if you want. That's the kind of tree I like.
Yeah. Why you like that one?
Kind of like a lazy tree. I just think it looks cool.
Lazy. Is it cold? Is it cold? Maybe that's what I want to for my backyard fence like this.
Yes, I know.
Diba?
I know.
Ang ganda niya oh.
Yes, ang ganda, ang ganda, ang ganda.
Ang ganda rin ito oh.
Nice and cool here.
Yeah, it's very cool here huh? Andito kami kanina oh. Ang laki niya mga kachupapi, pabilog to. Yun, pabilog. O, di ba? Ang laki. Hindi mo alam kung saan ka pupunta eh. Kaya kukuha ng map yung aking asawa. Kalimutan namin kumuha ng map. Ito gusto ko magkaroon ng ganito sa backyard. Ayan o. Ganda. I'll wait for you here.
Right there?
Yo. Kukuha muna ng map yung aking asawa. Kasi hindi namin alam kung saan kami pupunta. Ang ganda ka siya, papi, no? Free lang to, walang entrance. You can go wherever you want, diba? Ang ganda, no? Dito to sa Madison, mga kachapapi. First time pumapunta rito sa Madison. Maganda pala. So, yan. Antayin ko yung asawa ko. Dami rin tao pumupunta, mga pamilya. Kasi libre lang. Malinis din. Dahil mga flowers na magaganda. Maganda rito kapag meron din silang restaurant. No? Mga kachapapi. Yan ay asawa ko. Kumuha lang siya. I wanna go in the Thai Emerald.
Yeah, this is where the tour bus goes around. You see, it just goes around like this. It doesn't go in the middle. So, let's see, where are we? We are... That's this. So we're here somewhere. So we gotta go down this way.
Look at that. Papi, puro puno. I'm glad that there's still a lot of flowers here, even though it's hot.
Well, because here it's different than the original. That's where it's supposed to be. Creepy.
A flower, I guess. Yan na, puro puno na dito. Kachupapi, ang ganda. Love it, I like it. Fall tree.
This is how the best
So
of
big,
both
oh.
of
Look at
the
this. Look at that tree.
Mhm.
So big.
That's old too.
Super laki niya, kachupapi.
Let me see. That's not it.
Baka mawala tayo, be, ah.
Should we keep doing this?
There's no way there. Uy, uy. Yeah, but that's not the way.
There you go. Back over there.
Here, fun.
Can't get through there. You can jump over.
Maybe thank you for taking me a lot of plants.
I know, you
Maybe
love
because
plants.
you know that I love plants.
Plants. So
Ito gusto ko bumili ng ganito, oh.
over here, we're just
Mga
going back.
ganyan,
So
oh.
let's go over here. We're taking a detour. And then it's a dead end.
Detour. Ay, ang ganda. Kung mahilig yung asawa niyo sa mga garden or nature, pasyal niyo siya dito, makachapapi, oh. Maganda dito pag may mga ibong kumakausap sa'yo, no? Kausapin mo yung mga ibon. Are we in the right spot?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. Totoong vlogger na yung asawa ko. Vlogger na. Sabi ko, hawakan niyo muna kasi ang alay ng kamay.
I'm just gonna be like the other guy. I'm just gonna agree and nod. It's okay.
Dito, ano,
Actually, let's step over here and let them pass.
let them pass. Kasi may ano, ay may boat din para be, oh.
Mm-hmm.
Alam, may boat.
Uh-huh.
Pakita mo yung boat.
I don't know if that's free. Yeah.
Kasi may boat.
people boat.
Oh, they putting the boat.
The people.
Ayun, kachupapi, oh.
Let me hold it.
Maganda dito, B. If they have a lot of fruits, we can just grab, no?
Here? I don't think they have any.
Ang ganda eh, oh. Ayun na, dito na tayo. Ang laki ng puno, oh.
That's the bridge. Yeah, I think the bridge.
For Thai.
That's the bridge that the car.
Oh, there you go.
Yep. Car's not gonna go on the bridge. For obvious reasons, right? And they crash into the lake, the ocean. I mean, the river.
Oh, yun ang ganda, kachupapi.
Oh, there's another bridge over
Oh,
there.
look, there's a duck. Ang ganda niya, oh. Oh. Yun siya, kachupapi.
Sir, how did they go in there?
Look, there's a witch over there too.
Was there the bridge?
I think we crossed the bridge. We have to go around.
Oh, go around and then we can get in.
Yep.
Thank you. I don't have the map. We hurried up, thank you, onto the tram. It was nice because the tram left us off at the bridge.
We got elephants.
I feel like I wanna eat Thai food.
Maybe we could do that later for lunch. Thai food for lunch.
Diba?
Yes?
Yes.
I think that's a good one.
They died. They all but two died.
There you go.
Nice. Beautiful.
We made it.
Ang daming tao. Mm. Yung kachupapi.
There you go.
Ganda. Ito yung Thai na ceiling. What's it called? Thai garden?
Yes, this is the Thai garden.
Ganda niya ang kachupapi, oh.
Thai pavilion and garden.
Free lang to. It's free in Madison, right?
Admission free.
Okay, let's go. Okay, we're going there.
Let's go there.
Yan siya. Are you sure you're not walking around? Check those map.
Okay. Yeah, this probably just goes around. Let me see.
Maybe the other side. And I don't think there's something in there.
Maybe that's not part of it.
Yeah,
It's not on the map.
yeah.
Maybe it's not part of it.
Maybe maybe the neighbor.
That's just on the outside.
Yep. Laki ng tree yung Shupapi. Oh, tree! It's so big.
1, 2, 3.
Look at that. Ano? Let's go to the next stop.
Aldrich Botanical Garden. Yeah, I like this one.
$7.
Yeah. You want?
It's good. Oh, they have it like this. Oh, this is for...
It's for clothes. You can
Yeah.
clothes. License plate, no license plate sticker. Put on your car. Okay, let's go.
Medyo papi, on the way na kami sa restaurant. Kakain muna kami. At dito yung pinuntahan naming Thai garden. Free lang siya mga kachapapi. Kung gusto nyong pumunta, maganda rin naman. Wala siyang bayad, hindi kayo manghihinayang. So, Let's go to the restaurant. We're here. Okay, let's go.
Let's go.
I like this one. Hoy, sarap nito oh. Hoy, papaya salad. Is it papaya salad? Kinda like look papaya salad, you know?
I'm not sure.
Oh, your favorite fried rice here.
Look. Rice.
What is this?
Doesn't look appetizing to me. I don't know what that is.
Mga chupapi, nandito kami sa Thai Tibetan noodle.
Being cold noodles.
Tibetan chicken. Tibet
There's also
Tibet
the-
kitchen.
Wait, hold on, we need this. It's so small.
That's for soup.
Oh, that is for-
Yeah.
Okay.
Like it? Good. This is lamb, mga kachupapi. Lamb.
It's not too spicy, it's too big. The mushroom will be bigger. That's smaller too. You might like it. It's a little bit mix up in between beef and pork. Beef and chicken, actually. Okay?
First time ko makakain ng lamb. Sarap. Sarap, B. I think I'm going back. Nakikita niya ba yung nakikita ko mga kachupapi? Yay! We're in the capital! Ganda naman, babe. Parang palace. No? Looks like palace.
Stay in the middle 2 lanes.
No?
And it's the kingdom of Madison.
Ganda, mga
You
kachupapi.
think it looks like a castle?
Yeah. Me.
In half a mile, arrive at State Capitol, Wisconsin.
May ganda around this. Hey, ang ganda naman pala dito eh. Ang ganda, B. Oh my God. Are we in the heaven? Kachupapi, ang linis, no? Mga kachupapi, walang kalat na makikita.
What are you doing?
He's trying to pass those cars.
I hope we have parking.
Ang ganda. You never go here.
Of course not. I live in Middleton. This is Madison.
It's near though.
It's near. I keep calling it Madison, but it's actually Middleton. I just remember, it's not Madison, it's Middleton. It's a small town near Madison.
Yeah. Ay, mga kachupapi, ang ganda. Nakakaiyak siya. Nagpa-park lang yung aking asawa. Hindi ko kaya to be. I can't do it.
Hello, parking is what you call it, difficult.
Yeah.
Okay. All right.
Okay, let's go mga kachupapi. Nandito na kami. So, free parking daw until Monday, 8
Take a
a.m.
picture of that just in case we need to show it to somebody.
Yep.
All right, let's go.
So, halika na mga kachupapi. Let's go walking.
But usually I never have to, but usually when you go in a tight spot like downtown like this,
Ah.
then you have to do it.
Ay, babe, take me picture here. Ang ganda.
You take a picture?
Mga kachupapi, oh. Pwede ka uminom dito.
And wash my hands.
Pwede ka. Ang galing, ang ganda. Tapos ganyan siya, oh, kachupapi.
Sewage water.
Nasty. And then you touch it. Yuck. Is it open?
Okay, it says we're open till 4 o'clock.
Oh. Ang ganda, oh, kachupapi. What is this, babe? Is this a city hall?
Yes?
Yeah.
Madison Town Hall?
Ang ganda, oh, kachupapi. Para siyang ano, pwede kang magpakasal dito. I gotta like, you can do it when you're getting married. Wedding area. Something like that.
No, usually on the church.
Okay. Like, kind of like hotel.
This is very
Kind of like hotel.
imagine if this is your house.
Scary.
Yeah,
Yeah, maganda to.
There are many rooms, and you go there to prepare one for you. You will dwell in the place that I am at.
Hello. Hello, oh my God.
Mm-hmm.
Look at that. It's so beautiful.
It is almost like a church, huh?
Hello, ang ganda naman, babe.
You want to do a 360? Go in the middle. And then do it.
Ang ganda naman. Ang ganda naman dito, babe. And it's free, right? You don't need to pay
It's a
anything.
public house.
La,
Owned
look.
by taxpayers.
Oh my God. Imagine if this is your house.
You guys have something like this in the Philippines? I guess not.
I think we have, but I didn't go.
Like a public house where people you just come in and
Yeah.
hang out. Well, they also use it as a purpose where, you know, the county works here too. So
Oh,
do
they
a
work
bunch of other
here.
stuff.
Oh, look at the elevator. Oh, it's gold. Oh, I don't want to go there. I want to go there. Oh. So this one is kind of like a outdoor spot.
Something like that. If you had a big house like this and you're only here by yourself, it's creepy.
Yeah.
But if you have a lot of people, that's okay. Not, it's all marble and everything, so very
Yes.
well built.
This is the second
Look
floor.
at the bell.
Wala, ang laki.
Let's go check it out.
This one is good, oh, babe. Tingnan yung mga kachupapi, oh. What's that?
Gun violence. Oh, these are all the kids that got killed by gun violence.
Oh.
Proclaimed by order of the symbol.
Tingnan yung kachupapi, ah. Ano, hindi mo kaya yan? Ang laki niya, no?
It's an old bell.
Ang laki naman nito.
How do you think they did all the paintings up there?
Ah, that's what I know. I don't know.
Crazy, isn't it?
Ano daw ko pinainting yung nasa taas?
They have all the windows up there too, but no one
Ang
can
ganda,
go
no,
up there.
kachupapi. Ano nyo,
You can
oh.
go there to enjoy it. It's very, very high ceiling. Oh, there's a level up there. Oh, maybe it is. I see there is a level up there.
There is?
Yeah. Look, there's rails up there. There's doors up there too. So apparently somebody can go up there.
Oh,
The
yeah.
reason for it is, but they can.
For maintenance. Ang ganda. So, ginawa daw to, mga kachupapi. How many years is that one already?
Since now,
Yeah. Can't believe
106, 152, 70, 78 years.
78 years?
178 years.
Oh, 100.
Yeah, mabay 178 years. Long, long, long.
Ang ganda mga kachupapi, oh. Ang ganda niya. Ang ganda. I enjoy our date. Thank you, baby. Thank you very much.
Enjoy, baby.
I love you very
Hope
much.
you're having a great time.
I did. I
That's the
am.
American flag. That's the American flag.
All of it?
Just this one.
Oh, maybe this is the old American flag.
These other ones? No, these stand for something else.
Imagine if this is your front door. Ah,
The front door.
I think they renovated. No. Ito mga kachupapi yung kanya. Ito yung nakikita natin sa movie eh, no, B? Usually this part is included in the movie, action movie,
Of
remember?
course, it's all included. But I think in the movie they don't use the real one. It's just fake.
Yeah.
It's a prop made for the movie. So a lot of the stuff like this is probably not marble. It's just plastic. They just make that.
So kachupapi, oh.
This is jade. But actually it's not. It's copper.
Yeah.
Corroded copper. It turns green. When it's new, it looks kind of pinkish.
Yeah.
But when it gets corroded, then it turns green.
Pauwi na kami mga kachupapi. Nag-enjoy naman kami. Nagkwentuhan na kami na mag-asama.
At the end of the day,
And then pauwi na kami. Baby, can you buy me Starbucks?
No Starbucks. I think we're done for Starbucks. Maybe another day.
I want matcha.
Yeah, you just bought some matcha, remember? Drink that.
Where?
From the Asian store.
That's biscuit.
Oh, yeah, the matcha biscuit. I don't know. I wanna go Starbucks. Maybe I want to get back to town.
Okay.
Okay?
Okay, mga kachupapi. Buti na lang dito mga kachupapi. Wala kaming ginastos. Gas lang, tsaka energy namin. Pero masaya naman. No, B, you happy? We didn't pay anything eh, right?
Yeah, it's a free day today,
Yeah.
except for the food.
Yeah.
That would have been nice if we got free food too, but it's a
Di rin kami nagbayad ng parking kasi free naman yung parking.
free parking too, so
I enjoy our day.
everything went good.
Yep. Even though it's cloudy a little bit, but it's good.
Well, it's good for the most day, for the most part. It's still
Yeah.
cloudy now, but still good for the most part.
Kahit city dito kayo mga kachupapi, meron pa rin mga puno. Hindi nila inaalis kasi nga, syempre, para maganda rin naman ang buhay. Hala, may squirrel sa ilalim ng sasakyan. Yeah. Okay, mga kachupapi, pauwi na kami. Mga kachupapi, nakauwi na kami. Ang masaya naman kami, pagod lang, at anyway, mga kachupapi. Nagtithank you ako sa asawa ko kasi lagi niya ako nilalabas, lagi niya ako dinidate. Sana sabi ko sa kanya na hindi magbago yung kanyang attitude na ganyan. Di ba? So, kachupapi, wala kami nagastos. Ang nagastos lang namin gas. Kung gusto niyo mag-travel sa Madison, mapapatipid kayo. Di ba, kachupapi? Si Kiki nagre-reklamo, bakit lang ngayon lang daw kami nakauwi. Teka lang mga kachupapi, magpapaliwanag lang kami dito sa pusang to ha. Diba? Nagreklamo siya. Iniwanan ko naman siya ng pagkain. Dami na yung pagkain. Sabi ni Paper, nagiging ano na daw, suwail. Charing. So, anyway, mga kachupapi, hanggang dito lang yung ating vlog. Thank you for always watching. Nag-celebrate lang kami dahil sa aming 2nd year anniversary. Dahil 2 years na kaming kasal ng aking asawa. So, maraming salamat, B. Thank you so much. And thank you mga kachupapi for always watching. God bless.